Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect DigitalOcean to GitHub, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect DigitalOcean to GitHub, start by logging into your DigitalOcean account. Navigate to the control panel. Select the API option from the menu on the left. Here, you will find an option to generate a new token. Click on the Generate New Token button. Provide a name for your token that reflects its purpose. Set the desired permissions for the token based on your needs. Make sure to copy the newly generated token, as you won't be able to see it again. Next, open a new tab and log into your GitHub account. Go to your repository where you want to connect DigitalOcean. Click on the Settings tab located on the right side of the menu. In the left sidebar, click on Webhooks. Now, click on the Add Webhook button. In the payload URL field, enter the DigitalOcean endpoint you want to connect to. Select application/JSON for the content type. In the secret field, paste the API token you generated earlier. Choose how often you want GitHub to send updates by selecting just the push event or other relevant options. Finally, click on the Add Webhook button to save your changes. Next, head back to DigitalOcean and access the dashboard. In the dashboard, click on Apps from the menu. Choose Create App to start setting up the integration. Follow the prompts to select your GitHub repository. You might need to authenticate GitHub to allow DigitalOcean access. Select the branch you want to deploy from. Configure the build and run settings according to your application requirements. Once everything is set, click the Deploy button. Monitor the deployment progress for any errors or notifications. After a successful deployment, visit your live app using the provided URL. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.